Hello friends, how are you doing today? Today we're going to draw a different kind of fish. So let's the drawing begin. I'm starting from the left side, which is going to be the head of the fish. So let's start the drawing. The shape is different for different types of fish. That's why we just first outline the basic shape of the fish. Then we're going to draw all of them. Let's draw another line. It's like a mirror to the upper one, and we draw a straight line in the bottom. And it has a little curve in the end. We can join these two curves. It has a big eye in the front. All right, and let's make it separate in the top portion. This is the separation line for the head from the body. This portion is the breathing point. And it has a different body part. Here you can see this is just closed here. For the tail segment, there are some hatches or rags or the straight lines, parallel lines, few lines you can see I'm drawing right now. Okay, and also you can show few lines like this. So this is kind of special type of shape. I'm going to put the color now. So let's put the darker color on the top. The color is going to have a depth. Then this is going to be lighter as we progress to the downward. So you can see the variations in the shades of the fish. Little depth in color to the tail, and then again going to put the darker color at the end. As you can see right now, I'm putting the deeper color, in-depth color, or a hard strokes at the last end. All right, let's put the depth here in the hatches. Lots of racks at the bottom. Let's rotate the canvas a little bit and put lots of hatches in between them. Just to go from this side to the other point. Put the shades darker. Now we're going to put a darker tone on top of it. You can see right on top it's getting better and better. And the shade is become light at the end, so one side is darker and the other side is lighter. And the head, this is little darker too. All right, and in the bottom, the curve point, this is also going to be little darker. Now few details left we're going to complete with the pencils. So let's make the corners a special one. As you know, for the drawing, the more detailing you can do, the drawing becomes more alive, like this. Okay. All right. The eye, this is going to be totally dark. Variations in the segments. Okay. So you can see that the drawing is becoming more perfect. The more you try, the more the shade is going to be perfect. Okay. So here going to be a regular hatch all along the middle point. As you can see, this is going to the last end. Alright, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you like it. Next videos we're going to bring more interesting elements and other topics. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.